Welcome to Schnautzing, where your rabbit can have anything he wants. We have salad bars, cool water and food dishes, and amazing properties. Here your rabbit can enjoy anything. We have new custom-made houses with new doors and with new windows. These windows allow the rabbits to see anything they want to.
Are you picking?
Yep.
Might be a little chaotic there.
Here are the bunnies.
And the predators.
And we also have predators, so that the rabbits can learn how to behave around cats. Here at Schnautzing, your rabbit is safe, yet well exposed to the other boarders. Now,
Self-defense classes for rabbits.
yes, self-defense classes for rabbits. Now, as we take a look to our fellow friends, the bunnies, they are completely enjoying themselves. There's a smorgasbord. Fun games and things for them to do all day long. The cats are well fed and cared for. The horses are beyond the hedge, but they like it here.